These are the top 4 monsters that came before the dinosaurs. One had jaws that could crush bone, another slithered through ancient forests the size of a car. You won't believe number 1. But first, hit like and subscribe or comment heart if you love this little alpaca. Look at his poor dog, is out there in the cold, eating whatever it can find just to survive. If you have a kind heart, leave a heart in the comments. May Jesus bless the one who cares for the voiceless. First, Arthropleura. Next, Dunkleosteus. Next, Megaluras. Last is Cameroceras.